Hello everybody, my name is Rextus,
And I'm Soulgale.
and welcome back to the campaign.
Woo!
What? Are you ready?
Yes. No. No. Don't you dare.
Alright, we might need 2 flashlights, but let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Computer terminal. We trust you will be a great asset to the company. Great asset to the company. Great asset.
Let's see. Pro flashlight.
Now let's just grab 2 of them and then start.
Tool.
We don't have anything on the map in terms of beehives?
Not that I saw on the map. Nope. I think they were only on Val.
That delivery should be here, right?
Yeah.
I see nothing in the sky. I see nothing.
I confirmed.
Looking for a beehive.
Oh, I heard.
I want a beehive.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, this is beautiful weather. Right. Well, should I head on in?
Alright, I'll direct you from the ship.
I don't see any beehives yet. Okay. I'm gonna head on in.
Okay.
Let me know if you see any beehives on the map or anything like that. Because the beehives, last time we double checked and we were looking at it and we're like, whoa, those actually give quite a bit.
Yeah.
Meh. Alright, what are we looking at?
Don't see anything down there.
Nothing down this hall?
Nope.
Okay. To the right or straight ahead?
There's like a room straight ahead. Is there a downstairs? There's nothing there.
There's nothing here? There is a downstairs.
Okay. Oh, there's a big dot. There's a big dot downstairs. Holy crap.
Is there any
Oops.
items down there?
Didn't look like it.
Okay. Oh, I can't close this door. Okay. Down this way?
Yep. Looks like there's either an upstairs or a downstairs.
Okay, there is an upstairs. Let me know any items.
There is an item up there. Only looks like it's one. Take a right, and then right again.
Oh, okay. Okay, that is a heavy object. I will put in any red dots.
No, not right now.
Uh,
There's nothing else in that room.
might be
What
upstairs.
is there an upstairs?
Nothing.
Nothing.
That was it?
That was it.
That was quick.
Well, maybe if you go downstairs more, but there was a red dot down there.
Okay, yeah, I will just pop down
Oh,
something.
there's a red dot coming your way. Get out the door. Oh, that was a big red dot.
How far was it?
It was kind of where the door you can't close.
Okay, I'm gonna pop back in real quick and see.
Oh, there was a goo.
Oh, it's goo. Okay, that's doable.
Okay.
Is there any other red dots?
Nope.
Oh wait,
just
do
the
I
big.
go downstairs?
Yeah, you go downstairs.
Okay. He wants to eat me. He's like, you're a munchy snack.
He's like, I will dissolve your
You're a
flesh.
munchy snack. Alright. So downstairs?
Yep, downstairs.
I'll pop down here. Let me know. Is there anything on the map? Big red dot.
Nope,
Items?
no dots yet.
Okay, I see an item.
There's nothing down that way.
Nothing down this way?
No.
But this way. Did I just come? Okay, which way did I just come from? So I
You
came
came
there.
from that way.
Okay, okay. Very. Nothing down this way?
Nope.
Nothing down this way?
Keep going down there a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, there's like a bomb or something, or is that a door?
That's a door.
Okay, let me see if I can open it.
Okay.
So that is I1.
Okay. Doors open.
There's nothing there.
Okay.
Okay.
Any items on the map?
Not
Just look for the
down
items.
there.
Down this way?
Yep, go down.
Okay. Left and right?
Then keep going straight, and then take a left, and then take a right. There's an item there.
Okay, is that it?
Yeah,
The rest of the area is barren?
kind of, but it looks like there's like a downstairs from that. Oh. What?
What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
I don't know. Okay, it looks like he's going away.
Okay. Anything?
There is an item downstairs. What was that?
No idea. There's another gear. Is this?
It's not red, so it might be a good fire exit. Okay.
Okay. So, I'm just gonna grab the axles. Can you grab the engine at the very front of the area?
Yeah.
It is 4:22, so it is getting late. I'm gonna pop back in, grab that, and just leave.
Okay.
Just grab the...
Wherever the entrance is, it's over here.
And be very careful if they're air dogs.
I
It
am...
is 5 o'clock, so it's starting to get more nighttime. Oof. Hello.
Hello.
Okay. How about...
Is there...
Oh yeah, yeah, just grab the engine up there.
Okay.
You're pretty good at home.
Is there an engine here? There's no engine here.
Really?
Yeah.
It should be right outside the door, didn't it?
Oh, there it is. It blended in so well.
It blended in.
Okay.
Hey.
Hello.
goodness.
Oh, you scared me a little bit with your phone.
Oh, I gotta turn that off anyway. But, should be good.
Okay. I can only carry one thing
No,
at a
yeah.
time.
Oh, how'd I turn? There we go. Oh, just jump. Ship over there.
Yep. Just follow me.
Any dogs?
That's what I'm looking.
I don't see anything. Ooh. Keys aren't worth very much unless you have another door.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go back, grab the last one, and stay on the ship,
Okay.
just in case I kick the bucket.
I'm gonna close the door in case a giant dog decides to
Spawn.
spawn right in front of me.
Yeah.
Okay. No red dots so far.
Alright.
I will open up the door.
I think we're all good.
Alright.
Yeah, I was not taking any chances with that gal head laughing in my ear.
No.
Wow, 149
Wow.
for the first haul.
We made quota already.
Yeah. Alright.
Sweet.
I wonder if that's... So that was a green exit.
That was a very good exit there.
Okay, so that was green. 365.
There's more in here?
How?
Eh.
Well, maybe down further, but like that was a pretty good haul.
Oh. Val was flooded.
Oh, okay.
Let's just
Let's
do.
not do a stormy one. That would be good.
Let's. Which one is this one? This is experimentation. This is
Stormy.
stormy.
Let's do assurance, which is eclipsed. I don't know.
Oh no! That's where all the dogs like to come out of.
Eclipsed?
Yes. The dogs come out early.
Titan is foggy.
I think you gotta pay money for Titan.
Oh, let's just go
And Rend.
experimentation.
Okay.
That is interesting. So we gotta be aware of lightning. How do you even dodge lightning? Is there a roll button?
No, you just drop all your items that are magnetic.
Oh, see, I don't have any items that are magnetic. Yeah, I'm gonna move these. Okay.
Okay. Do you want me to go in this time or?
Let's check the map, see if there's any beehives first.
I don't see anything around us.
Ooh. I would stay inside,
Oh,
just in case I kick the bucket. And you will be my guide.
okay.
I like going inside. It's fun. I get to die a lot. Oh.
I don't like that. As a kid, I was never very fond of thunderstorms.
Oh, I thought that was like a beast on the underside of the building. The vines looked awful there.
Oh goodness.
Looked like a skeleton dog or something. Okay.
Okay, there's one right in front of you.
Okay.
And I don't think there's anything else. Oh my goodness, I do not like that. Oh,
Okay. So that will be a lightning charged item. Fire exit.
that is a good fire exit because it's blue.
Blue? What was the color of the other one?
It was blue.
Okay.
There's one to your right there.
Enemies?
No enemies so far. Oh my goodness.
Don't pay attention to it. Any other items?
Not that I can see.
Like what? My flashlight just went out. Oh, it's not
Because you didn't
charged.
charge it. You want me to bring you a flash? Oh, okay. That is brutal. Ah.
Yeah, lightning. Okay. Let me know if there's anything else on the map.
Is there a downstairs or upstairs?
There's an upstairs.
Okay, there's one upstairs in a room.
In a room.
There's no enemies.
There's no rooms up here.
Oh, okay. Well then, no.
Anything in here?
No.
No enemies?
No, not
Item?
yet. There's an item back. There's an item in that room on the far
Far end?
end of the room.
That's an axe. Though.
And then there's one behind the stairs. Like, yeah, keep going that way. And then there's
Oh, it's
one
another
there.
large axle.
Okay.
This will be interesting.
Okay.
Lightning. Thunder.
Don't like that. Okay. You're good. There's no red dots yet.
Okay. If it is a metal item, I would take it one at a time. Do not carry more than one.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay. So that's everything on that side. Anything down here?
Their door. Keep going. Is there a room there?
Yep.
There is an item in the far room.
Okay, it's a reactor.
Oh, okay, don't grab that yet.
Are there items?
Um,
Okay, there's a voice. I am running. Let's just grab what we have and run. Because we have enough.
okay.
Come to the front, grab stuff.
Okay.
Because we have too much right now. We have too much. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and drop this. I'll grab this. I'll grab this. If it is a metal item, carry one at a time.
Okay.
Not taking any chances. I don't know. Is this metal? I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Oh, it is.
Okay.
No? Oh, it is. Okay. I was like, I wonder if I should pick it up right now. I'm just gonna sit it like this. What?
I got a burst. Okay.
It didn't notify me or let me know anything. How do you tell? Is it sparks coming from the equipment?
I guess so.
Be very careful. Tell.
Oh, it's sparking. Okay.
Oh, I hate the storm.
I do too.
So many metallic objects. There is a bulb. It's non-metallic. You could probably grab that.
Okay.
It's charging behind you. Okay, it can't do that if it's in the ship, but it does shut down the lights. Okay, what's the time? Go ahead and grab the bulb.
It is 4:09.
Yeah, just grab the bulb, and I don't know if you can grab the reactor.
Well, okay. I'm really scared right now.
Yeah,
Okay.
unless you want to just leave.
I might just grab.
I don't know if the bulb's reactive. That might have actually been what killed me. Bulb's
There,
on the
oh,
right.
there's the reactive there.
Bulb's on the right. I don't know if the
Okay.
bulb is reactive or not. Watch out. Something's... The bulb is reactive. That is what killed me.
Okay.
Okay. Be careful. Just grab one item at a time. Run for the ship. I would just grab the reactor after this and then just book it.
Okay.
Who cares about one piece? Wait until it strikes. Back into the...
Whew.
Oof. Just grab the reactor and call it good.
This is brutal.
I know. See, you can tell where it's at.
Yeah. Woo. Okay. I'm just gonna wait for it to strike again.
Yeah. Back up a little bit more. I don't know how. Bomb. Can you crouch? It can strike twice in a row, can't it?
I'm not sure.
I believe so.
Oh boy, yeah, it just struck in the same place.
It's charged right now. It's like... Not sure. Okay, one. Might be safe. Two, okay. That... Oh no, it's
Oh!
dead. Oh, okay. It
Oh!
can strike multiple times.
Ew, okay, I didn't know that.
They do not give much of a warning.
No,
for
they
that.
don't. Oh!
Oh, we lost everything?
Oh, that sucks.
Ah.
Ah.
We should have just left with the bulb, to be honest. Like,
yeah.
that was really ridiculous.
Oh, Stormy. Oh, I don't
We
like
had
that.
so many things.
I know.
I wish it kept everything, even if you died. Alright, well, let's see if we can't make quota.
Okay.
Abandoned?
Okay, it's not stormy anymore in experimentation, so.
Oh, wonderful.
Okay, there is a flashlight in here if you want to use it.
Yeah, I'll use the flashlight.
And I think it's full power, so. Okay.
Anything on the map?
Not that I can see.
Okay. At least I know where the fire entrance is now.
Ah, the storm is so brutal.
I think you're just scared of the lightning.
Well, it strikes multiple times.
You get struck by lightning, you get white hair. Anything?
There's one on the left.
Okay.
It's right there.
Good thing it's not stormy anymore. Oh, locked door. Do we have that key in the cabinet?
Yeah.
Okay, nothing downstairs.
And there's one
On the other side?
item straight ahead.
Dustpan, really?
It looks like, is there a down or an upstairs?
There's a downstairs.
Okay. There's nothing.
All the way down here.
Yeah, there's nothing.
Well, I'm gonna go grab that key and take a look at the extra door.
Alright.
Ooh, I'm slow now. Ah, I don't like that lighting. We lost so much off of that lightning.
Yeah. I should have just went. I should have just left.
I died because I didn't know the bulb was electrified. Like, if the bulb had a metal bottom to it, that's where I would consider it to be metallic, and you could actually get lightning struck by it, but...
That looked like a flask and not a light bulb.
I know, it was complete glass. It's like glass I don't think is magnetic, or,
Oh, yeah. Metal-y.
yeah. Oh boy. 44, I'm gonna grab this key. Is there anything on the map that looked like?
No. Not where you were going.
For the key? If there's nothing behind the door, then I don't know why I would use the key. But let's double check.
Yeah, just double check.
Because if there's nothing behind the door, I'm not going to use it.
Yeah, just for me to be able to
Okay,
see.
is there anything behind this door?
There is a room,
Is there
but I don't see any triangles. You'd have to go further into the room for me to see.
Alright, well, might as well. Got a key.
There is 2 red small dots, so there might be little bugs there. Or it might be on the roof. There's nothing there.
Nothing here?
There is, take a left. Yep, keep going, and then take a right. Straight. There's an item there.
Right here?
Yep. Right there.
Right here?
Right there.
Like bugs or something, but...
Okay. And then there's an object through that door. Oh, there's a big dot. Behind you. There's behind you. Oh, it's a
it's a
goo.
blob.
There is 2 items in that room.
To the right?
There's a present, yeah, and an axle.
Okay,
You can bring the present, but we can open it inside.
but if it contains an enemy, right?
I
Don't know.
don't know.
I'm just gonna grab the axle and we'll leave.
Careful, the
that.
goo's closing in on you.
Where's the good?
It's behind you
Okay.
now.
Get me out of here.
Okay, go back. And then take a right left. And then keep going straight forward.
Goo's not gonna kill
And
me
then
anytime soon.
take that. Yep, keep going that way.
Okay. There are more keys. Oops. Took a wrong turn. Step to go.
Step the goo.
Step to go. Okay, I don't think there's anything else in there. I can check the fire exit though, definitely.
Okay.
But it is getting kind of late. We might be able to make quota though.
Hopefully.
Oh, that was awful on that round of lightning.
Yeah,
I
that was
wish
awful.
I wish there was more indication on that, because if you're blind like me and you can't see the sparks from it, because the reactor even in and of itself is yellow.
Yeah, and I can see.
Yeah. I mean, it gave me the prompt warning the first time, and then after that it didn't give me anything. And I didn't know what was gonna kill me. Okay. Alright.
Alright.
I can store that.
107.
110. 107?
Yeah, because I'm just looking at all of these right here.
Okay. Let's see. I can
Uh,
go check the fire exit real quick, but that might not be able to make quota. Yeah.
we still have another day.
Oh, we still have another day?
Yeah, it says 1 day left.
Okay, let me go inside, see if I can't find anything else. I'm not just gonna play chicken feet here. I think the fire exit's down this way. Run. Over the way up. Red dots?
No, not right now.
Item?
Keep going.
Nothing in here.
No.
Oh, well, you said there was something down there. Downstairs?
Yep.
Okay, you need to identify if there is something green or not on the map. Is there anything green?
Nothing there.
Nothing here? Anything in this area?
Yes. Go straight forward and then turn right. Looks like
Locked.
there's 2 items.
In that room?
Yeah.
Okay, is there anything else on the map? No?
No.
Okay, I can come back and get the key. Meet me halfway with the key.
Okay, there is another item.
Left
if you
here?
go down here, yep.
Okay.
Down there. Go all the way down. There's an item there.
That's it?
Yep.
I can come back and get the key. You want to meet me halfway and then we can interchange?
Okay. It is 7:06.
Okay, I believe we can make it. Notify me if there's any dogs or anything, but
Okay. There is no dog right now.
let's interchange here. I'll grab the key.
There is a dog.
Okay, we're leaving. We can jump this. Where is he?
He is at the back of the ship. There's the dog there.
I see him.
I'm gonna close the door. He's still there.
I'm going to Timo this.
He's kind of close to the ship. Oh, there's another one. And you're in its path. Okay.
Just go ahead. I don't think you can get the item.
I'm not even going to.
They are just... What do you call it in Capture the Flag when someone's puppy guarding? I think it's puppy guarding.
Yeah.
They were just completely puppy guarding the ship. There's nothing you could do there.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, that's the thing. If it gets past 3 p.m., there's a lot of dogs. We shouldn't have taken our chances. You're the last one alive with that lightning strike.
Yeah.
We really should not have taken our chances with that and just left with it. Because we would have had so much more to sell.
Yeah.
Oh, we have 1 day left?
Yeah.
Oh, yay, our saving grace. We have a day.
Building immediately to sell your scrap metal and other goods.
Did I lose the
You have 2
flashlight?
days
Yeah, I did.
left to meet the profit quota. You can use the terminal to route the autopilot to the company building.
Vow is eclipsed. So let's just go with experimentation again.
Experimentation.
Halt, you have 0 days left to meet the quota. Use the terminal to route to the company?
We can't go to experimentation?
Apparently not. But let's do it anyways.
Yeah, hopefully we could sell for a little bit more. Or for a little bit less, but still make it. Because we cannot make it right now.
No. Okay.
Alright. Any items? In the back?
Nope. Not right now.
Oh,
Yeah, because we're at 107 right now.
okay.
Okay, nothing so far. Is there upstairs, downstairs?
Upstairs?
Okay, there's one upstairs.
No red dots?
No red dots. There's 2 in that room.
There's another one in this room?
Uh,
No red dots?
no. Keep going straight and then you're gonna take a left. There's a door. And there's the reactor.
Okay.
And then there is another one that's on the staircase.
Ah. Any red dots?
Not right now, there's nothing down there.
Nothing down here?
Nope. Keep going. Nope. Keep going down, and you're gonna take a left. And then there's an item right there.
Yeah, this
It's
is
a
fun.
laser pointer.
Alright.
Keep going straight.
No enemies?
No enemies.
Did the bug, ceiling bug, show up on your map?
No, I don't think so.
Down this way?
Yep. Let's see. Doesn't look like there's anything
Which room? Left or right?
left. There might be like a bomb there, or is it a door?
Door?
Okay, well there's nothing in that door, so
Anything further down?
yes.
Enemies?
No, not yet. There's nothing in that room. And then you're gonna take a right, then go left, left again.
Here?
Yep. There's an item there. And there's nothing else. I don't see. Oh, there is one. Keep going forward. There's no red dot. And then there's one there.
Okay, got a large axle. Anything else in here?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna grab that and go out the door. Oh, last thing I need is a coil head on me.
That way, and then two. Yep, go that way, and then back. Yep, that way.
This way?
Keep going forward.
Okay, any other items on the map that you see?
Nope. Nope. That way. Yep. And then take a right.
No other items?
Left. Nope. Keep going.
Red dots?
Nope. Right.
Okay, I believe that's it.
Let's go. We probably have more than enough now.
Okay. I'm just gonna drop this over the sill if you want to just walk up and grab them.
Yeah, I'll grab them.
Oh. You can't open? Can't open the present. That must be a mod.
Yeah.
Got a present for you.
Left mouse button to open the present.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Did you grab everything down here?
Yep, I grabbed it.
Okay, all four?
Yep. Oh, there's 4?
Yeah. Did you get the laser pointer?
Nope. I will go grab that later.
Yeah, let's just throw this in here. I'll go grab a laser pointer. Either that or it's still up there on the sill and I accidentally didn't drop it. There we are. Whoa, really? Sill value of 99.
Ooh.
I got a laser pointer.
190 for all of this stuffs. But let's open the gift. Should I open it?
Oh, I'd feel better if we did that at the very end and we just opened it outside.
Okay.
Yeah,
I think we got enough. We can go. We
I'm
got
gonna
109.
well, yeah, it is.
190.
It is 420.
Let's go.
It's gonna start getting dark and there's gonna start being dogs out here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shall I open it out here?
Hold on. How about I open it? You give me the present? Or you wanna open it?
I was gonna open it, but you can open it. If you
Okay,
want
well I will be the experiment. Go ahead and close the door there. Right click?
to. Left click.
Oh, it's an engine. Okay.
Awesome. Let's go.
That's your present.
Let's get out
I
of
know I
here.
opened it for you, but I didn't want harm to come to you.
I'm out.
So that is actually worth 10 more than the present, because the present was 25 and that's 23. Alright. Wow, we made quota.
Ah. Now, if it'll let us do quota.
Yeah. Alright. 215. So I bet there was something in the other door, but again, time. You're running out of time. And the more time you take, you're gonna have more problems with enemies.
As you have not
Oh,
What?
you're not even gonna let us do it.
We got money for
We
you!
have 3.
welcome to our disciplinary process.
Well, I guess you have to go to the company then.
Well, that's poo.
Space is
Oh,
so
okay. Well, now I know.
Yep. Ugh.
You could have just fired us without shooting us into space.
Well. Days on the job 4. Scrap collect. Oh, come on. It even tells you the
What do
steps
you
taken.
want from us?
What do you want?
What do you want?
What do you
First day on the
want?
job.
What-
This is
What
your
do you
very own
want?
private
What?
ship, where you will eat
Well,
and sleep for the duration.
Is
of
that
your
all the time we have for this episode?
Unfortunately.
And we will see you guys in the very next video.
Make yourself at
Bye
home.
bye.
Bye-bye.
The onboarding process. You will want